calm seas of the South Pacific, when suddenly, without warning, the temperature drops. Brrr.
There's supposed to be sound effects, but it doesn't
Whoosh. I'm disoriented by the sudden change. I lose all sense of direction. Drawn to some inescapable desire. Is there a crash? Crash! And before it can turn around, it's too late. Gasp. Damn it! Why did Mom have to rent that stupid movie? Why? So... Does anyone out there know how I feel? What I wouldn't give to be a regular kid instead of having to live with the anxieties of being a...
Hey, it's Team Boat.
Not that having the powers of a boat doesn't have its advantages.
Holy crap! That kid's been floating there for like 6 hours!
That's impossible.
In fact, when I was younger, I used to think anything was possible. Look, Mom, I woke up with a propeller. But as I got older and started to develop an interest in girls, being a boat seemed to be more of a curse than a blessing. Gasp! I'm covered from head to toe with barnacles. I can't possibly let Teresa see me like this. Especially ever since I met Nina Pinta Santa Maria, a foreign exchange student from Europe.
Dude, ask her if she's ever gone wave jumping.
But I was always too scared to talk to her. Until one day, before class.
Hey kid, come here.
Who, me? What could Harry Cobbs, the football jock, want from me?
My friend here tells me you could turn into some kind of schooner. Any truth to that?
Well, I'm actually more like a small yacht.
Schooner, yacht, what the diff?
So if you're like magic, prove it to us.
You mean here? But this hallway is kind of landlocked. And I've never transformed so far from the harbor before.
That's what I thought.
Wait.
Nina Pinta Santa Maria.
I saw him last week outside my host family's beach house.
Exactly.
She's so cute.
Come on, don't be afraid. Show these creeps you're better than them.
Holy shit!
Whoa! I can't believe this twerp is really a team boat.
Dude, you
Harry's Italian. Principal Stern.
Mr. Boat, if you're done showing off, would you please be so kind as to get to class?
Sorry, Principal Stern. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, well, don't make it happen. My heart was broken.
All right, kid. You really proved yourself back there.
Thanks.
But here comes the real test.
Yeah, let's see if we can put you to some good use.
What are you jerks up to? I lost snacks.
Chill, babe. We just want to throw a little party.
Yeah, the kind of party that takes place on a boat.
Really? You want me to be at your party?
We couldn't have it without you.
Just show up tonight at Pier 41 and make sure you've got gas. Or whatever.
I never had people party on top of me before, let alone be on me. Not much of a surprise, considering I only had one friend growing up, Joey Steinberg, the girl next door.
Oh no, TV. Please tell me the rumors were false.
I barely had a moment to enjoy my newly gained popularity before she came running over to ruin it for me.
You're not actually playing host to Harry Cobb's latest party grand?
And what if I am?
Have you sprung a leak? Do you even know what kind of
cigarettes? Marijuana? Big deal. We're teenagers now. Besides, like the ads say, it's hip to say no if you're a teen.
They also say friends don't let friends drive drunks.
I think you're just jealous, because you're secretly in love with me and can't stand the thought of me partying with Nina Pinto Santa Maria, that exotic European girl.
Fine, you know what? Go ahead. Just remember that I know better than you know yourself.
Listen, Joey, until you have the power to turn into something really cool, don't assume to know what it feels like to be me.
Fine. If only I could reveal the truth. Wait, if only I could reveal to him the truth about me.
That night. Alright, the boat dude showed up. I told you he would. This kid is our ticket to some real fun.
Well, what are we waiting for?
It's boat time! And so,
How much farther do you want me to go out?
just keep heading south.
Where are we going? There's really not much to do this far out to sea.
All taken care of, my tugboat friends.
All right, let's get ready to play some blackjack.
Get me in.
Wait, what are you doing? Gambling's illegal.
Not anymore, it isn't. We just crossed into international waters.
What did I get myself into?
To be continued.